Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to thread the needle, the eye of the needle. But first I'm going to thread the machine. So I've got the green thread coming off the top of the machine, and here's a close-up. Just like that. And then down to the upper tension device thread guide, which is right down here. I bring it right down to the guide here, and I just let the guide do its job and guide it in between those two discs there. And then I start to pull the thread up on the take-up spring, and I hold on to the spool thread so I get some tension, and I pull it so that the thread goes behind the hook. There, it's behind the hook there now. I don't know if you can tell. There it is there. And so then I put it up through this guide here, like that, and we go up to the take-up lever. And we go to this middle guide here, put it in that guide, and then down to the first horizontal guide, flat guide there, and then just into that loop, that hook, and then down to the second horizontal guide. I call it horizontal because you have to put the thread in there flat, and then down to the needle. And then I just want to trim that off a little. And this is where the good stuff happens. So here I am at the needle now, and the machine is threaded right to the needle, but I still need to thread the needle. So I'm going to pull some thread through. And then what I do is I take my little threader and I insert it from behind, and it should come through right there. Here it comes. See? Right there. Beautiful. So now I just get the thread I'll just hold that wire there like that while I grab the thread. And then I pull it in like that, and then I just get the wire to pull it back through the I thought I'd lost it there. Pulling some slack through is what I'm trying to do. So okay, I pull it back out, pull the wire out, and the thread goes through, and I'm happy my sewing machine is threaded, and I can continue learning how to sew. Hope this was interesting for you, and I want you guys to have fun, you guys and gals to have fun, stay safe, and come on back real soon, we'll watch another one. If you don't mind, I'd appreciate a subscriber or two, always helps, and adios amigos.